I know you guys have been waiting for it. Okay, what's going on, Algebra 2? We have previously, in these videos, have been using, if this will focus, Tammet pens. These have, without a doubt, been the bane of my existence. They have absolutely sucked at writing. I mean, they're kind of sparkly. The ink is sparkly, but these have possibly been the absolute worst pens I've ever used in my life. And I'm excited to let you guys know that. Dang, this thing's freaking hard to break, dude. Okay. I'm not going to break this right now. It's broken. We have a new pen on this channel. It is not sponsored, but these are you guys can take if this focuses, but this thing doesn't want to focus. There we go. We got the Pilot G2s. Oh, these pens write like butter. Oh, it's so much nicer. Not the best red color I've seen, but we've got nice replacements for these three absolutely terrible products. So I just want to let you guys know that's an exciting update that's been going on in my life. Okay, we are going to look at some of these IXLs, some help on them, some explanations. We're going to start with the first one we've been doing, L1. I haven't given you guys a lot of help on this, but let's get into it. Find the degree of this polynomial, which you could technically consider it a polynomial, but this is just going to be t. That is going to be, it's just t, but it's the same as if I wrote to the power 1, because anything to the power 1 is itself. 3 to the power 1 is 3, 6 to the power 1 is 6, and t to the power 1 is the same as t. So the degree of this polynomial is just going to be 1, okay? The degree of something like this is a 3. This is t cubed. The degree is 3, okay? So there we go. I'll give you guys a few more examples that they're telling me here. We got a negative 2b to the power n. All we got to do is look at what is the highest exponent. It's 9. The degree here is 9. How many terms do we have? So I'll give you guys an example here. 3x plus 4. This is going to be 2 terms. Degree is, what do you think? This is this is no letter, this is no variable. This is a variable to the power 1. So the degree is 1. 2 terms, the degree is 1. Let's take a look at this. Negative 4x to the power 5 plus 3x to the power 3 minus 2x. How many terms do we have? If you said 3, you are correct. We have 1, 2, 3 terms. It's basically like how many plus and minuses are separating out the terms. This one is just a negative. It's not really separating this term from anything else, so we do not count this. But we could just count the number of pluses and minuses that are in between the terms, and that's the number of terms. So we have 1, 2 plus and minuses. We have 1, 2, 3 terms. 3 terms there. What is the degree? The degree is, well, this one is to the power 5, this one's to the power 3, this one's to the power 1. So the highest one is the 5. It's the 5th degree. Okay. Let's go to something a little bit more difficult. Let's see a difficult question they would ask. Classify the polynomial. We have a few options. If it's first power, it is a linear function. If it's to the second power, that's like x to the power 2. That would be a quadratic. If it's to the third power, that would be cubic to the power 3, cubed. It would be a cubic functions. And anything higher, you'd probably write none of these. It could be a, what would you call it? A quartic function, a quintic function for 4 and 5. Okay, what about number of terms? If it's one term, we would call it a monomial. If it's two terms, what do you think that first, it would be something omial. Nomial. It would be binomial. For 3 terms, trinomial. Anything higher than 3 terms, we could just generally say it's a polynomial. But a polynomial is for anything. I think that should help you guys out with 3-1. Let's take a look at some of these more difficult questions. Let's see. Find the number of terms in this polynomial. It's giving us negative 10r plus 1. How many terms do we have? 1, 2. We got 2 terms. Oh, this one's interesting. What if we have something like this? Negative 2f to the power 3g to the power 3h minus 2fgh to the power 5 plus fg to the power 3 minus f. And it's going to ask, what is the degree of this polynomial? Some of you might be tempted to just say 5, but you have to count all of the letters, kind of. This is 3 f's, 3 g's, and 1 h, so this degree is a 7th degree. This is 1 f, 1 g, and 5 h's, so that's 1 plus 1 plus 5 is going to be a 7th degree. This is going to be 1 plus 3 is a 4th degree, and this is just a 1st degree. So this polynomial would be classified as a 7th degree polynomial with how many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Yeah? All right. I hope that helps you guys. Off to another one.